Now, to get more information about this trade, you can click on the chart icon between the strike price and the expiration date. This will pull up Barchart's new profit and loss charting tool. The first tab here is Profit and Loss, which outlines the details of your trade, as well as charts the potential results. You can hover your mouse over here to see the exact profit or loss points for every price point at expiration. You can also see the open interest for the trade, which is the total number of outstanding contracts currently held in the market and tells you if the options trade has high liquidity. More on that later. The next tab is the Greeks, where you can see delta, theta, as well as gamma, vega, and rho. Theta is minus 1.78, so your long call will lose around 1.8 cents per day in extrinsic value, all things being equal. As the stock rises, theta will also decline. Next is the expected move tab, where it graphs the expected trading range of the stock based on 85% of at-the-money straddle premiums. The range indicates $31 to $90.42. You can also see earnings details, as well as how much the stock has moved on average after its last 4 earnings results. Next is the volatility tab, and this is where it gets a little interesting. As you can see, implied volatility is at 80.99%, which may look high at first glance. But according to IV Rank, which compares implied and historical volatility, it's actually a little on the low side. And that's because SMCI has had heightened volatility in the last 52 weeks, with the highest value clocking in at 219%. This shows why it's critical to check IV rank, not just the raw volatility number, because it can change the whole picture. The last tab is trend, a favorite among technical traders. The arrows show the expected direction of the stock based on its 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages. As you can see, SMCI is expected to trade bullishly, which is great news for you. You can also see ATR, or average true range value, which tracks how much the stock has moved on average for the last 20 days. According to ATR, SMCI has moved by $2.73 per day on average. There's also RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, which takes a stock's price movement from the previous 20 days and plots it on a 1 to 100 scale to see if it's overbought or oversold. Currently, RSI is at 68.55%, which means it's nearing overbought territory at the 70% level.